Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick video I will be showing you guys how to see your Apple ID password on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's delve into the video. Here the first thing that I want you to do is launch your settings app in your iPhone. Scroll down and then tap on passwords. After this, on the search bar, search for apple.com. Tap on it and there you will have your username and password. Tap on password. You will there have to show your Face ID to unlock and you can retrieve your password from there. You can even change your password on the website or set up a verification code. So that's it. By following this simple step, you can easily get your Apple ID password. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel for more amazing contents. Thank you for watching.